The following segment is sponsored by Smith Injury Law and 300hurt.com.
You hate to imagine being injured in an auto accident, but if it happens and if there's litigation, you will want every resource available to help make your case. Attorney Richard Smith says accident reconstruction experts can make all the difference, and Smith Injury Law puts those experts to work for you. Good morning, Richard.
Good morning, Margaret.
So most newer cars have a black box that records data like airplanes have. So what can an accident reconstruction expert do with all that information now?
It's amazing what they can do with it, actually. They can determine your speed and impact. They can determine whether your headlights are on. They can determine if you have your seatbelts on. A lot of information that's available in that data box in your vehicle.
And you say this information is really important because even accidents that seem to be pretty straightforward can present issues when it comes to negligence or even which party is at fault, right?
Right, because people don't tell the truth. I mean, they can tell the officer something completely different. Officer may not know who to charge with the accident, and they just simply throw up his hands or her hands and say, I can't determine. And that's why it's very important in a serious accident where you can afford to use the expert to get the expert involved.
So an accident reconstruction expert can analyze all these factors. They can explain to the jury step by step what happened. Now, how valuable is that testimony?
It's extremely valuable. A lot of times it doesn't get to the jury because of the expert. I've had numerous cases in the last couple of years where my expert's report was all it took to change the insurance company's mind, and they no longer were denying the case, but actually paid the claim instead of having to go to court.
Well, a quick response is certainly crucial, and that's what you do at Smith Injury Law. Your practice areas include personal injury, workers' compensation, car and truck collisions, and Social Security disability claims. So what can someone expect when they work with you at Smith Injury Law?
Well, you're going to be treated like a client, not like a number. I mean, when you call us, you'll talk to either one of my great staff people or myself or my partner, Scott Becky. We have a lot of experience handling these types of cases, and we'll make sure that your case is being handled properly, that you're getting the attention that you need, that we're answering your questions, that we're making sure that you get your needs met. And we basically are here to help you. We're not here to take advantage of you at all. We're here to help you get the best results you can get and to recover what you've lost from the accident.
All right. Well, people can contact you by calling 300HURT or visiting 300hurt.com. They'll love to work with you. Richard Smith of Smith Injury Law, thanks so much for being with us.
Thank you, Margaret.